सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मताम् भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवत्यै पार्वत्यै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। We are on page number 91, Doha 74. So Girija, Parvati Devi has heard the Asharirvani. Asharirvani, celestial voice, a voice from above. It says, don't worry, now you put an end to your tapasya. Your wish will be fulfilled. हे पार्वती पर्वतराज कुमारी सुन, तेरा मनोरथ सफल हुआ। तू अब सारे असह्य क्लेशों को, कठिन तप को त्याग दे। अब तुझे शिवजी मिलेंगे। This is the ultimate voice. Remember that it is the ultimate voice. Asharirvani, but nobody said impersonal voice. It is a voice from Paramatma. अस तप काहु न कीनु भवानी, भये अनेक धीर मुनि ज्ञानी। अब ऊर्धरहु ब्रह्म बरबानी, सत्य सदा संतत सुचि जानी। अस तप काहु न कीन भवानी, तुम्हारी जैसी तपस्या, लाइक व्हाट तपस्या यू हैव डन, नोबडी हैज एवर डन. Nobody has ever done tapasya for 1,000 years, eating only dried leaves, 3,000 years only Belpatra, all this something wonderful. Bhaye anek dheer muni jnani. Many people have come on this earth, very, very powerful, very determined people, but like you, no one has done. Abadha urdharahu brahma varvani. अब तू इस श्रेष्ठ ब्रह्मा की वाणी को सदा सत्य और निरंतर पवित्र जानकर अपने हृदय में धारण कर. Now you have heard the ultimate voice. Earlier it was the voice of it was the speech of Narad Rishi. Narad is a manifestation. But this is from the Brahma. It's a Parabrahma itself has given you the green signal. Now you need not have to do anything. आवे पिता बुलावन जबहि, हठ परिहर घर जायहु तबहि। मिलहि तुमहि जब सप्त ऋषि सा, जानेहु तब प्रमाण बागीसा। The voice is continuing to speak. It says, Ave Pita Bulavan Jabhi. When your father comes to call you back, when your father says enough, whatever tapasya you have done is enough, then listen to him and then go back. Hatha Parihari, give up your adamants. Give up your adamants. Ghar jayehu tabahi. Then you go home. Milahi, still the voice is continuing. Milahi tumahi jab sapta rishis. As you go home, you will be meeting the sapta rishis. They will come to bless you. Then remember that my voice is 100% proven to you. Whatever voice you have heard is going to be proven to you in physical manifestation also, in the form of the sapta rishis who are going to come to meet you. Janehu tab pramana vagisa. Now you will remember that it is the pramana of Vagisha, or the Lord of speech, Lord of, or Devi. Devi, Vani has told you this one. Don't have any more doubt in this one. सुनत गिरा विधि गगन बखानी, पुलक गात गिरिजा हर्षानी। उमा चरित सुंदर मैं गावा, सुनहु शंभु कर चरित सुहावा। सुनत गिरा विधि गगन बखानी पुलक गात गिरिजा हर्षाने. After hearing the beautiful voice from the Gagan, that is Brahma Vakyam, she was absolutely overwhelmed and thrilled. Girija, Parvati was very, very happy, filled with bliss. Now, Bharadwaj Rishi is telling Yajnavalkya Rishi, up to now I have told you the charitra of Uma Devi. What happened to the other scene? The other scene is going on. What happened to Shiva at the other side? That also I will tell you now. Scene changes, One side you have Parvati going on and the other now is going to change. Now going to Shiva's side. Uma Charita Sundar mein gava. I told you the beautiful charitra of Uma. Sunahu Sambhukar Charita Subhava. Now listen to the charitra of Shiva, what he was doing. जब ते सती जाई तनु त्यागा तब ते शिव मन भयो विरागा. जप ही सदा रघुनायक नामा जह तह सुनहि राम गुण ग्रामा. Now that he has been separated, Shiva has been separated from Sati and Shiva is sitting in tapasya. What will he do? He says he has given up every single contact with anybody. Pura delete kar diya. All contacts deleted, not contacting anybody. What is he doing? Jabute Sati Jai Tanu Tyaga. The day Sati left her body in the Daksha Prajapati Yajna, Tabute Siva Mana Bhayav Viraga. He completely was detached. He became very detached. Japa hi sada Raghunayak Nama, always chanting the name of Rama. Jahataha Sunahi Rama Guna Grama. Wherever the opportunity was there, he used to listen to the charitra of Sri Ram. Chidanand Sukhadam Sukhadham Siva Vigat Moha Madakama Vicharahi Mahidhari Hridaya Hari Sakala Loka Abhirama. Bhagavan Shiva to Chidanand hai, he is an embodiment of knowledge and bliss. And he is also Satchit Ananda. So he has completely, absolutely no attachment to anything nor anybody. And no Kama, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, all nothing in him. Vicharahi Mahidhari, he is moving about all, everywhere in this world. Hridaya Hari Sakala Loka Abhiram, keeping Lord Hari in his heart, the essence of the entire world. Katahu munina upadesa hi jnana Katahu Rama guna karahi bakhana Jadapi akam tadapi bhagavana Bhagat birah dukh dukhita sujana. For the first time we are hearing that Shiva is also sad now. Katahu munina upadesa hi jnana. Somewhere, now he is on the earth only. He is on the earth. He has come back from Kailash. He is moving about in the earth. Somewhere he goes and sits down with some Munishwaras, and the Munis are very happy that Shiva has come, and he tells them something about Vedanta, something about Dharma, all these things he is advising them, counseling them. Somewhere he is singing the glory of Sri Ram. Jadapi akama tadapi bhagavana. Although he is absolutely free from any attachment, passion, but still that Lord Shiva was really sad because he was missing Sati. Bhagat birah dukhita sujana. तो भी वे भगवान अपने भक्त सती के वियोग में दुखी हो रहे हैं. एहि विधि गयो कालु बहु बीती नित्य नय होय राम पद प्रीति. नेम प्रेम शंकर कर देखा अबिचल हृदय भक्ति के रेखा, प्रगटे राम कृतज्ञ कृपाला, रूप शील निधि तेज विशाला, बहु प्रकार शंकर ही सराहा, तुम बिन अस व्रत को निर्वाहा। यही विधि गयो कालु बहु भीति, lot number of years are passing there. Parvati is counting only in thousands, no, only K. No, only thousands she is counting. Here also same time is passing here also for Shiva also. He is also absolutely dispassionate, not talking to anybody, nothing, silently he is moving around. Nitne hoy Ram Pada Priti. He is becoming more and more involved, completely immersed, engrossed in the love for Sri Ram. Nemu premu sankar kar dekha, seeing the kathor vrat what Shankarji is observing, then Sri Ram appeared before Shankarji. Abhichal hriday bhagati ke rekha, he saw that it was his devotion to Sri Ram was absolutely unfaltering. Pragate Ram kritagya kripala, immediately Sri Ram appeared there. He is one who remembers anything good done. Anybody does any good there, Sri Ram will automatically be there present to help that person. Rupa Sila Nidhi Teja Visala, he is of beautiful form. Sri Ram is of a beautiful form, absolute wonderful qualities, and he is the storehouse of all brilliance. Bahu Prakar Sankara hi Saraha, he came in front of Shiva and then said, what you are doing is a very wonderful tapasya. Tumu bina asavratu ko nirbaha, other than you, who can observe this, such a kathor vrat, such a very severe austerities, who can observe? Bahu vidhi Ram Siva hi samujhava, Parvati kar janm sunava, अति पुनीत गिरिजा के करनी, विस्तर सहित कृपा निधि बरनी. Sri Ramji has now started counseling Shiva. Bas, you stop. There somebody who has told her. There the Asharirvani has told Parvati. Here Sri Ram has come in the Saguna. There it is Nirguna. Here it is Saguna form. Sri Ram has come and it told Shiva, stop your tapasya now. Parvati has taken birth. And same Sati only has taken birth now in the place of Himalaya. As a daughter of the mountain she has come now. And the beauty of Parvati and her wonderful actions, what she is doing, I can't just describe, so beautifully she is living there. So in a detail, Sri Ram, the ocean of compassion, Karunanidhi, has explained everything to Shiva. Ab vinti mam sunahu Siva, jau mo par nij nehu, जाई विवाह हुसैल जही, यह मोहि मागे देहू. Now Sri Ram is now become absolutely friendly to Shiva and saying, Ab vinati mama sunahu. Now you must listen to my request to you. Ab vinati mama sunahu. Siva, jo mo par nij nehu. If you really have unlimited affection towards me, if you have sneha towards me, then go and get married to Parvati. Jai vivahahu sailajahi yah moi maage de. What this is my only request, is my only what I call ardent plead to you. Please go and then get married to Shiva. Sachidananda Bhagavan ki